In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla number plate for Model Y. Let's get started. So right here, I have a few steps on how to fix or reinstall your front license number plate. And we have 9 procedure steps right here that you could read. So if you want to go ahead and have a read at these, you can go ahead and go to service.tesla.com and then search up on accessories drop down and click on installing front license plate brackets. If for whatever reason the steps here do not help you fix your number plate for Model Y, then I have a few more steps that might help you. Starting with the first fix that I have is for a loose number plate. If the number plate is loose, you may need to tighten the screws. Use a screwdriver to secure the screws on the mounting bracket directly on the plate. If the holes are stripped, consider using plastic anchors or large screws. The second fix I have is damaged mounting bracket. If the mounting bracket is damaged, you can purchase a replacement from Tesla or a third-party vendor, then install it by removing the old bracket, aligning the new one, and securing it with screws. The third fix that I have is missing number plate. If the number plate has fallen off, you will need a replacement. Contact your local DMV or vehicle registration office to get a new plate issued. The fourth fix that I have is rattling or noise issues. If the plate is making noise, use foam pads or rubber washers behind the plate to reduce vibrations. And lastly, the last fix that I have is installing front number plates. Use Tesla's adhesive front plate mount or a no-drill solution to avoid damaging the bumper. Tesla's official front plate mount uses strong adhesive strips and easy to install. Alright guys, that's it all for the fixes, and I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.